Honestly, even before, I was thinking of writing as early as like 5 years ago. I was thinking of writing a book, but now it's not even a year. We are even not even 6 months. We're able to accomplish a lot already. So I think that's a lot easier. All we need to do is put them all together in this system, the publishing CEO. All we needed to do is just follow your instructions. This is worth exploring because me, I'm already in advanced age, so to speak. But there are, uh, I believe, beautiful things that's left for me to do. And I am not a writer, but there are many things that I want to put into a project. And I believe that this is all worth it. So whatever it is that we need to invest on as far as this is concerned, we strongly feel that we will go a long way. I think it's well worth it. Whatever it is that we invested on in financial, and then the time that we put up, we are happy. And we are excited. We're both excited. We didn't know these things before. I will tell them that I am in the right place with public CEOs, publishing CEOs. And by the time I find someone, I come across with someone like what you're referring to, we would have completed the first book already. And initially, we will have the experience of how it's gonna be in Amazon, or in terms of marketing the book itself. We will have gathered initial experience, and then I can share from those who already succeeded initially in in your group. I see some of them, and they are witnesses to the reality of what we're trying to achieve.